Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to Walmart to get some groceries.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great day.
I'm feeling good, like I should. Running down the hall around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
Get a card from out here or no?
No, actually, maybe. If there is a cart inside, we'll put that one away and get.
Okay.
This one seems clean. I just gotta be careful with moving it because my finger.
What is that? Oh.
I mean, charcoal does kind of clean your teeth.
We're gonna be here all day, guys. I'm just waiting on you. Which one is that?
Whitening charcoal.
Okay. What am I raising the baby? She loved that, but what am I asking on Rocky Road? Butter pecan, no, coffee.
I know a song. Mango!
Which one is that? What is that?
Brownie batter.
You love it? All right.
Actually, I never tried it, but I love brownies. Brownies are so good, Tami. Going that way.
They're around the other side? Okay.
Fritos look good. Really good, Tami.
That's the one? Why it look different?
It's because it's family size.
Wow.
It's for today's dinner.
Yeah, we could do that.
I mean, unless it's too small.
I think it'll work. If not, we eat something else with it.
Yeah. Let's pick another thing from here. If it's not good enough,
Did you like the spaghetti and meatballs or no?
I loved it.
All right, that's good.
Where?
It's at the top, right there.
Oh. Two for us?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did like it.
Let's get that one too. That's the best flavor?
The broccoli one is better.
All right. All right, one second.
What else?
Oh, we have plantains, yeah, definitely. Why are they open?
Okay, I found one that isn't open.
Okay. I got it. Which one? Tree meat? For meat?
You need to find for me.
Okay.
But it's right here.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's cold. I love it. I love cold areas. This is where I should hibernate tomorrow.
Boy. Okay, guys, I think we have everything. So let's get out of here. Hopefully the rain will start fall yet. Huh?
This is what we got.
I don't know. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we get everything. And now we're heading back. I'm glad that we beat the rain. That's the most important thing. All right, let's load up.
I'm so thirsty.
We can drink one of your drinks right there.
It's gonna spill in the car, Tami. It's a can of soda.
Well, you open it from out here. So just in case it spill out here and not in the car.
No, but you don't understand. When you're in the car, it's gonna have bumpy. It's gonna be bumpy. I'm just gonna drink one at home. I hope we get home fast though, because I'm really thirsty.
Okay.
We're bagging up charcoal toothpaste. I hope my teeth gets white after using it.
Keep brushing it every day. You should
I
see
do.
some results.
I do. I mean, honestly, your teeth are not supposed to be white. They're supposed to be a little tint of yellow. They're not supposed to be white.
Right.
But hey, Tami, ready?
All right, let's head home. What's wrong?
I was touching a bug that looked like a piece of wood, like a really small piece of wood. I think it was a moth. I touched it. It was on the window, and I touched it, and it flew at me.
Really?
Yeah. Now it's on the other window behind us.
Today at ecpi.edu.
Honestly, to me, a car's a car.
That's what you say.
Yeah. It's
Until
different.
it's time for you to get a car, and you
I'm
start
not getting a car. I'm
making
getting a
choices.
motorcycle.
Woo! Okay, guys, we made it home. Still not raining, thank God.
Dragonfly.
All right. Huh? It did rain? Well, I guess it rained when we were in Walmart, so that's no bad. That's not bad at all.
Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L and I had that felt. Looking at me sideways. Ooh. Yeah, I'm Superman. All right, all those are yours, Tami. You got everything?
Murder. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Miss Cameron made dinner. Whee! Let's go. It did rain. Hi, Luca. She's just always doing something. Luca, you can push me down. You can push me down.
Hey.